Okay, this is our little video about adding. I don't think you're going to have much trouble with this one, but it's always worth refreshing your brain about how to do it and thinking about the things that might catch you out. Now, as we know, adding can be done in any order, so it doesn't really matter which way round you add them, so just have a go at doing that, and just be careful if you forget to exchange and record your exchange and then add it in, so that's a bit of a misconception. And the other thing you might get wrong is when you put a 3-digit number and a 4-digit number, make sure you align the columns correctly. So that's another little bit of an accident that happens sometimes when we're doing it. So let's do Psalm 3,941 and 2,159. Okay, so I lay it out like that, making sure I've got my columns correct. So you remember that's the thousands, that's the hundreds, that's the tens, and that's the ones. When we were all at school, if your mum and dads are watching this, we used to call them units, but they are ones, so we call them ones now. And we always start, when we're adding and subtracting and timesing, we always start with the ones. So here we go. We have got our first calculation is 1 and 9, nice and easy to do. It's 10. However, 10 we know is no longer a 1, so we need, that is 110. So underneath the tens column, I say I have got 110 and I have nothing left here. So I need to put my 0 in as a placeholder. Okay, so if I look back here, I can see that's the 10, so I know I've got it right. So now I've got 5 add 4. Well, 5 add 4 makes 9, but I'm not going to forget to add in my exchange number. So 9 add 1 more equals 10. So that means we have 0 in here again, and that 10 gets exchanged because it actually means there's 10 tens, which is the same as 100, which is why the 1 goes in the 100 columns. So now we've got, I just made these numbers up in my head, isn't it funny how it always works like this? So now we have 1 add 9, which we know makes 10, plus another 1. So that means I have 11 in total. I have 11 hundreds. I know 10 hundreds is 1,000, so that one goes over there. And then I add my 1 in here, my 1 of the 11, so I can see it says 11 there. I know I've got it right. And now I've got 3 add 2 add 1. So 1 add 2 is 3, 3 add 3 is 6. So that's my total. 6,100 is the total adding of that one there. And hopefully you won't have too much problem with that. So there's a couple of days worth of adding on there, lots of working out what to do and applying what you know and seeing if somebody else got it wrong. They're always good, aren't they? Because that really helps you show your understanding. So let me know if there are any problems with that and I can do another little video to help, but it should be fairly straightforward. Enjoy. Bye.